What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be solving an interesting question, an interesting trick that we can find the square root of these weird number. What we're going to do is we're going to try to build this number. We know that when we have a number times 10 to the power of n, we basically have a and we'll have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and we have n number of 0. So let's do the same thing in here. For example, if we have 5 times 10 to the 3, we will have 5 and we'll have 3 zeros in front of it. We're going to do that trick in here. So we'll have the square root of 11, 11, 1. And if we count this, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. That means we have to do 5 zeros plus the 55,000. So we have 55,556, which we can show it 55,000, 5,500, 55 plus 1, and that's what we're gonna get. And what we are seeing in here, we'll see that this number can be built in this one. We know we have 111 with 5 zeros plus 5 times 11, 111 plus 1. So from the first number, we will have 111 times 10 to the 5 plus 5 times 111 plus 1. So in here, for the 10 to the 5, we can write it down like this. So again, 111 times, we can do 99,999 plus 1. And on the rest of this, we have 5 times 111 plus 1. And we know that, we know in here, our 99,999 is 9 times 111. So what we are trying to do in here is just to build that 111 that we have in here. And from this step, let's call our 111 y, and if we do that, what we have under the square root is 9 times 9y plus 1, and we have another 111 in here, so 5 times y plus 1. So let's just multiply these and see what we get under the square root. So we have 9 times y squared plus y plus 5y plus 1, and what we have in here is 9y squared plus 6y plus 1. And let's just pause the video, see if we can do something with this expression over here. So the first clue is that we have a square root. If we can make a perfect square from this expression in here, that would be great. So we can get rid of the square root, so we can just take it out the way it is, and there we go. We know our y is 11, 111, and easy enough, we can get the answer. So let's just pause the video if we can find the perfect square in here. Alright guys, let's get into it. I'm sure you guys already found the answer. So with the perfect square that we have in here, so we know that a plus b to the power of 2 is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And if we consider our a in here 3y and our b 1, what we get is 3y plus 1 squared will be 9y squared plus 2ab 2 times 3y plus 1. And here we go, 9y squared plus 6y plus 1. And what we have under the square root is 3y plus 1 squared, and we already know that 3y plus 1 is a positive number, so we'll get it out as a positive number. 3y plus 1, what we called y in the previous step was, we called 111y plus 1, and what we're gonna get in here is, so basically we have 3 times 111, which is 3 plus 1, and the answer will be 33334. That would be the final answer for this question. Very interesting trick to go over this question. Obviously the numbers is scary enough to look at the beginning, but this 111 can be a clue for us that what if we can make this in here. and the rest is just to being a little bit creative to find a way to build that 11 1 11. And once we consider 11 1 11 as a variable, we can solve this question easy enough. That would be all for this one. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have a better way to solve this. I'm really curious if you guys can find another answer or another solution for getting the answer to this one. So drop it in comments if you have a better solution or any comments, any questions about this. I'd be happy to discuss it with you guys. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.